Welcome back everyone to the Hello World guys. This is episode number 12 if I'm not wrong of the Unreal Engine beginner series, and in this video we are going to try and add sound to our game, because currently we have got our game but we currently have not got any sound in it. So it would be a good idea to actually add some sound to our game so that it kind of looks good. So how are we supposed to add actual sound to our game? Now, adding sound in Unreal Engine, first obviously you need the sound asset. So if I go under my content and then I go under like blueprints, not blueprints, in starter content, that we import it, you should see that we have got audio here, and in here we have got a bunch of different sounds, and you can use any of these sounds to do whatever you like. Like for example, we have got this light sound, we have got this smoke sound, a bunch of other sounds. So let me just play one of these like this. So yeah, this is basically what the explosion sound sounds like, and we are basically going to use this explosion 1 sound. Yeah, this one to actually just make our player like look like he's shooting a gun, because I think it looks kind of like realistic enough if it's not like extremely realistic. So yeah, we are basically going to use that, and yeah, now let's try to implement it. So what you need to do is you need to select your player. Not this. You need to go under blueprints and open up your player, and we are going to let it open up. Then we are going to open up this shoot function that we created. Now we have got this function, but once we have actually started shooting, like before we do anything else, we want to play the sound. So all you need to do to play a sound is you need to go and say play sound at location. Now this this happens to do is it plays a 3D sound, which means it's not just a sound played as so you will just hear it at the correct volume. It's a 3D sound which will be like the intensity of the sound will depend on like how actually far away you are from the sound's location. So it's kind of like the name suggests, it's a 3D sound basically. So how are we going to use this? Well, we have got this. We have got a bunch of things in here. I'm going to reduce the volume modifier down to 0.3, and for the sound we are going to select our explosion 1 asset. Great. And for the location we are going to go ahead and say get actor location, which will get the player's location. We will just get the player's location, and this is it. And we need to basically do this, leave everything else as is. Now if I go ahead and start to play, which looks pretty awesome, and you can change this volume to whatever you like. You can also change the pitch if you want to, and you can change the sound settings and other stuff, but you don't need to get into the complications of that, and the sound is playing perfectly. So yeah, this was a really short video, and I actually didn't get too much time to make a video, and I thought that maybe a short video showing you the basics of like sound would be interesting, so I decided to make this video. So make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video in which you will get to more advanced stuff. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe, and well, bye.